Hello students, this is Nazni Said Nishat, your math teacher. Our today's lecture is based on the topic simple interest. Before learning about the formulas, we learn some basics. Principal is the amount of money deposited or withdrawn from a bank. Interest is the extra amount of money that is to be gained or paid based on our principal. Annual interest is mainly the interest per year, that means it is the interest of 1 year. Percentage rate of interest is the interest caused by depositing or withdrawing 100 taka for 1 year. Here is the formulas for interest, principal, number of years and rate of interest. Question number 1. If Ratul borrows 2000 taka from a bank with an annual interest rate of 6%, how much money will he pay as interest in 2 years? At first, the formula of interest is principal into number of years into rate of interest divided by 100. Here, the principal is 2000 taka, number of years is 2 years and rate of interest is 6%. So, the input will be 2000 into 2 into 6 divided by 100. After total calculation, the result becomes 240 taka. That means 240 taka is the interest. Question number 2. Amina borrowed some money from the bank with an annual interest of 6%. She paid the annual interest 30 taka. How much was the principal? Now, the formula for the principal is interest into 100 divided by number of years and rate of interest. Clearly, the number of years is 1. The total amount of interest is 30 taka and annual interest is 6%. So, we input all the values and after total calculation we get the answer. Principal was 500 taka. Question number 3. 50,000 taka was borrowed from a bank and 98,000 taka was paid back 8 years later. What was the annual interest rate? At first, we find the amount of interest. Interest on the principal 50,000 taka after 8 years is 98,000 taka minus 50,000 taka, that means 48,000 taka. So, the annual rate of interest will be interest into 100 divided by principal into number of years. We put all the values, we can cancel equal number of zeros from numerator and denominator. Finally, we get 12 taka, so the annual interest rate is 12%. Now, try to solve these two structured questions. First one is based on today's lecture and second one is based on our previous lecture. These types are very important for our exam. That's all for today. Hope to see you soon. Bye.